Welcome back, guys, to my channel. So like I said in my last video, that I have a lot of update from the ongoing construction that is happening in Anambra state. So here is another update from another side. So the same last week I also paid a visit to the ongoing construction of a pedestrian bridge in Awka around Aroma for quite some time now. When the project actually started, I was following up through Younger Channel and some other people. I've never been to this place, though I know about the location, but I've never been to the site. So inside last week, after visiting some other construction that is going on in Oka, so I decided to also pay a visit to this particular one. So when I came, I saw some level of progress, though I've not been there before, but all I can say is that the work is kind of sluggish because what I've been watching from other channels, I was expecting that by now the work should have gone beyond this part, but I will say I don't know the reason behind it because I'm not a contractor or whatever, so I don't know the reason behind the sluggishness when it comes to the construction. So I don't know the reason, so I will not comment much on it, but I will talk about what I saw when I visited. So when I visited, I saw some, already stand pillars. They have standed some pillars, and some others have not. They just put the iron. They have not cast it. It's just like that, and I also saw some other places where I don't know what they are trying to do there. If they are trying to remove already casted pillar inside that hole, then put another one that they are trying to a kind of you know make it more stronger or something, or I don't know what they are trying to do there. But all I can see is that they are just working inside there, whether they are trying to put the pillar down or something, I don't know. And another thing I find out when I also visited is I also saw that these are where um the pipon water is located. The revived pipon water in Oka is also located, because all this why they have been talking about it. I've never been there. I don't even know where the pipon water is located. But when I visited this particular location, I found out that that is where the pipon water everybody has been talking about was located. But right now, I don't know if they are still functioning or not. I don't know. But all I can say is that is where they are located. So, and I believe they will still be functioning because it has never reached up to 4 months, if I'm not mistaken, that the thing was, bring back to life. So I believe it's still working. So it's along that, if it road just around that room, that is where the water, pipe and water project is located. It's done and dusted. I think it's working is working the last time I checked. I don't know about now, but I believe, like I said, it may still be working. I don't know. I don't know. Used to one thing I used to say is that it's not just to build is the problem. One of the problem they lack is maintaining the project. Somebody might build, another person will come in and leave the project that way. He will never maintain it. And another thing, someone who is much interested about, building tourist destination and the other infrastructures may come in as a governor, and after the whole building, after the whole construction, when the person finally left, somebody who is not even interested in such thing will come in, and the whole thing will be abandoned, and everywhere will be looking so bushy. You understand? So that's one of the problem you find commonly in Nigeria, and or in every part of state in Nigeria. That's the common problem you find. So building is not the problem, maintaining is the problem, because the other time I was watching Tayo Aina, one of the biggest YouTuber you have in this part of the world. I was watching one of his video where he was exploring the Calabar Resort, and Calabar Resort was a very, very massive project that was put on, and they're functioning and bringing a lot of revenues to to the state and also to the country. But it's quite unfortunate that today Calabar Resort is no longer functioning. It has been abandoned. So, and that is the major problem you can easily find within all the projects and all the things, all the constructions that is happening in Nigerian state and elsewhere. So that is just it. So when I visited this location, I quite met just a number of things. The completed pillars and the uncompleted pillars and the workers that are still doing their work. So from what I saw when I visited, I cannot say if the work will be completed before December next year, or I don't know. But all I know, maybe the work will also be completed as far as it's not been abandoned. So they are doing their own thing there. So the pedestrian bridge will serve as a crossing bridge. All of us know what pedestrian bridge is. So instead of people now crossing the road all by themselves, they have to follow the pedestrian bridge down to the other side. Is located the other side of it is going towards Ifite, while the other side of it is going inside the Aroma Street or whatever. I don't know where that place is called. So it's gonna serve as a crossing bridge for for people, and is quite, it looks more safe to use the bridge when it's completed, and it will also make the place look more organized and clean. So I really, fold my hands, and I expecting much updates from what I saw when I visited the location. So I don't think I have any other thing to say. So kindly stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like the video, and most importantly, don't forget to share. That is another important part of it. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, because the last time I also check out my channel, I noticed that about 80% of you are not subscribed. I'm just having only 20% subscribed to the channel. So please kindly subscribe to the channel. Let's take the channel up to 6K. Please, I'm begging you guys. So on our next video, we'll still give you more updates, which I cannot mention here. Till then, so have a wonderful day, guys. Till we meet again. Bye.